Hi, I'm Ryan Monahan, Amberley Village Maintenance Supervisor, and this is the third video in the Meet Village Staff series. Residents probably know our department best for snow and ice removal, brush and leaf collection, and delivery of wood chips. But did you know we are also responsible for maintaining the safety and accessibility of our 60 road miles of pavement, as well as stormwater drainage, road striping, keeping rights of way clear, tree planting and removal, sign installation and maintenance, and many other responsibilities, as well as being trained as firefighters for the village. Our skilled department of 1 part-time and 7 full-time employees wears many hats, including management of our fleet of 4 dump trucks, 3 pickup trucks, and the maintenance facility at the north site, which houses all of our equipment, the village salt barn, brine and beet juice tanks, and our leaf and wood chip piles. Whether it's winter snow, autumn leaves, or brush and logs, we value our residents and work hard to communicate best practices to help streamline the process so we can get to every village home in a timely manner. Be sure to subscribe to the Village e-News and check the Village website for important information about our services and guidelines to ensure we're able to get you what you need as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching.